welcome back to my channel. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Katya, and for those of you who do, welcome back. On this channel, it is all about DIYs, thrift flips, come thrift with me, fashion, you name it, it's here. So if you're someone like me and loves all of that, well then welcome. So for today's video, I thought I would mix it up and do a fashion try-on haul. And for my DIY followers, I thought I would do a little DIY at the end. I'm in the whole spring mode. I know we're still winter, but to me, spring is right around the corner and I am dying for the warmth. So I did a little bit of shopping on a company called Salty Crush. I just fell in love with their clothing. I thought it was so boho, so girly, beautiful, the patterns, the fabrics, I thought they were great. So I went crazy and got a whole bunch of pieces, and I thought I would do a try on haul for you guys, try them on and just talk about each piece. Also, they're super sweet. They're giving you guys a discount code. All their information will be down below, so you can go check out their site and just do a little shopping. And then I mentioned in one of my videos that right now I'm sort of working on my bedroom. I actually worked on the nightstands on the sides of my bed. I actually got these at Ikea and I had paid $50 for them. They were just a simple wood. I mean, they were fine, but I thought they were just simple and they were lacking a little bit of luxury and just blending in a little bit more with my aesthetic. So I thought I would do a little DIY on these side tables. So I did a 2-in-1 for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. We're gonna jump right into the haul part. If you're not interested in watching this, I will put a timestamp for you guys so you can fast forward and go to the DIY part. But if you do, then I'm gonna start right now. I'm gonna start off with my first dress, and it is actually this one that I am wearing right now. It is actually probably my favorite out of the bunch. I mean, I love them all. They're all amazing. But this one is just a me dress. It is perfect. I fell in love with the pattern of it and the color. It's such a great dress for the in-between seasons, between spring and summer, due to the color and the long sleeves. I think it's perfect. I loved also the midi length of it and that it also ties at the waist. There were so many things that I loved about this dress. I'm so happy I got it. It has that whole boho feel, the whole balloon sleeve, and I am obsessed with it. This was definitely one of my favorites. You're gonna see there's so many amazing ones, so it's really hard to choose, but anyway, this was my favorite. We're gonna move on to the second dress. The reason why I got this one was because of the beautiful colors. For those days I wanna wear a little bit of a pop of color, I think that this is the perfect dress. I just fell in love with the cape sleeve here and the detailing, and then the beautiful seashell buttons here at the front. And it also has a high-low hem, which I think is perfect. I think I might wear this one for my birthday. So I'm not too sure yet, but I think so. I paired it with some heels just to dress it up, but you can totally wear it on a more casual look and just throw in some sneakers or sandals or even some cute cowboy boots. I think it's a great dress for that. Moving on to my next piece, when I saw it, I loved the pattern. It has a boho feel, but it also has a retro look just because of the fabric. And I love the detailing here on the sleeve and at the front. And of course that it ties at the waist. I love a good tie at the waist. I just think if it doesn't have a tie at the waist, sometimes it can look like you're just like floating in fabric. And I love to cinch in a waist. I think it just gives such a beautiful hourglass shape to your outfit without you looking like you're totally drowning in fabric. I put a lot of them with boots just because I wanted to show you more spring outfits, but all of these dresses are just great to wear also in the summertime. But I wanted to show you right now spring, since, you know, we're moving into spring. I'm not going to jump ahead and go into the whole summer, but all of them you can wear as summer dresses as well. I think that they're just great throw-on dresses and they're just easy and flowy. When it comes to fashion, I love different, but I also love very feminine. I'm a girly girl, right? So these dresses all spoke to me. And then moving on to the next one, I got this one as well. It's actually the same model as the previous one. It has the whole same look, the maxi, the tie at the waist, the balloon sleeve. But the reason why I got two of them is I loved this pattern. I thought it was so prairie-like, and I thought it just gave a whole different look to the dress. It didn't look like the same dress at all. I just loved the color. I thought it was just such a beautiful dress. If you're looking for those perfect throw-on dresses, these are definitely them. I actually paired this one with actually no, I didn't put it with sneakers. It's the next dress. But I end up wearing sandals to show you guys that you can wear it in the summertime as well. I just love this. I just think it's perfect. So for my next piece, I love a good dress in the summertime, but another thing that I love is a matching set. And when I saw this, I thought it was perfect. I thought it was so beautiful. I just love white in the summertime. I think it looks beautiful and fresh on everybody. When I go shopping with my family and friends, I'm always drawn towards white pieces for them. I just think you cannot go wrong with white. It suits everybody. And I just thought it was so girly and dainty. I fell in love with the high-waisted skirt and then the little camisole that went with it. I ended up putting a blazer just because I wanted to make it not so summery, and some cowboy boots, and show you guys that you can wear it in the springtime as well. But in the summertime, you can just wear it as is without the jacket and pop on a pair of sandals and you are good to go. These are another easy throw-ons. You don't have to find the perfect top, skirt, or pants that go together. It's just easy. I fell in love with this, the English lace and the beautiful detailing at the bottom of the skirt. Moving on to my next dress, it is actually a wrap dress. Another thing that I love so much are actually wrap dresses. I think that they fit beautifully on every body shape. I think they're perfect to cinch in at the waist and then just flowy at the end. So when I saw this one, I had to get it. I thought the color was beautiful, the florals, and look at the detailing at the sleeve and at the bottom here of the dress. I think this is the perfect Easter dress. I actually wore this with Converse. You can wear it with sneakers, you can dress it up, dress it down, but you can easily throw on a pair of heels and just totally dress it up for any occasion, right? But you can also wear it every day. Well, anyway, I would wear it every day. Doesn't mean everybody would, but I would totally just throw this on, put sneakers, and just head out the door and go shopping, you know? It's so feminine and elegant. For my last piece, I actually saw this at the very end. It is actually a romper, but it's sort of a romper that's, you know, very loose fitting and just flowy, and you just don't feel like, for those days that you just don't feel like wearing something that's stuck on your skin, I think this is just such a great option. I love also the bell sleeve here and the color combo. I just think it's the perfect romper, more for the summertime. I actually paired this with my lace-up boots. You can also wear it in the spring, but I'm probably gonna wear it more in the summertime. I just think it's perfect for another throw-on piece around the house where you wanna lounge, you wanna be comfortable, and just put a pair of sandals with it, you know, or cute little rope sandals, or you can just have fun with it. It's just one of those pieces, even if you're doing an activity or bike riding and you don't feel like wearing obviously a skirt while you're bike riding, but you want to look cute. I just think this is a great little option here. So I am obsessed with it. I'm super happy I got it. This is pretty much it for the haul part. Now we're going to move on to the DIY part. But before we get into that, I just wanted to explain a little bit. I actually started working on the side tables. I had a whole different vision for them. Well, sort of. But I actually end up finding this whole straw, I say straw, or maybe it's bamboo, wicker, whatever, mat. And I had envisioned cutting them into rectangle shapes, sticking them on each drawer, and then once they dried, just cutting it all around, and voila, and then just put the handles and we're good. But yeah, guys, it totally did not work out. So I wanted to put this part in there because I do want to share with you that sometimes what you can envision doesn't necessarily come to life, and there are hiccups along the way, but there is always a solution. So for me, that's just how my brain works. A lot of people just kind of stop doing it and just are like, screw that, I'm just gonna not do it. But for me, there is always a solution to fix a problem. So I had to get a little creative, and then I went to the dollar store and found these wooden sticks. I believe they're used for meat, for the barbecue. So I thought I would make my life a little harder and stick them one by one. But anyway, I'm super happy of the end result. I thought I would stain that part just so it gives a little bit of a contrast from the light wood to the dark wood. And then at the dollar store, I had seen these rolling, I guess they're called rolling pins, I'm not sure, but they're for the dough. So I had found these and I thought they would be the perfect handle to the side tables. So I actually also had leftover faux leather that I had created this whole shelving with. I had little pieces left, so I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna put a little bit of little pieces of leather in the middle and then put a little bit of rope and give that whole exotic look that I'm going for in my whole bedroom. And anyway, I'm super happy of how they turned out. It was pretty much not the most complicated and extravagant DIY. I just wanted to put it in this video because I do think it's important. Even if it's a small DIY and you're doing small little touches, I think it can totally elevate a piece and just make it your own. Let's jump right into it. Enjoy, guys. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this sort of different type of video. Comment down below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. For my next video, since I'm into the whole bringing in spring wardrobe, I thought I would do a closet clean out and just take you guys into my closet, come cleaning with me, and just out with the old, in with the new kind of thing. So let me know if this is something you guys would want to see. And just thank you so much for watching, and thank you again for all your love, support, comments, thumbs up. I know I keep repeating myself. I sound like a broken record, but I just really am so thankful for each and every one of you guys, and I love you so much. Have an amazing day. Mwah.